Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard language on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains of course the Windows 11. Of course, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, you can upgrade or run the download into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. You'll not even notice the difference. And of course, once the download or the installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or apps for you, so don't worry about this side. And of course, once you upgraded, you will have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. But I bet you will not do that, especially when you get used to Windows 11. You'll like it much better. So as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to change our keyboard language. So as you can see here, of course, if you click at the languages here, for me, I have three languages, and if I want to change between them, I can just simply click at Alt and Shift on my keyboard, and as you can see, that changes the language directly. Of course, if you don't have other languages and you'd like to add more languages, you can just go and click on this language and then click at more keyboard settings. That will normally take you here, and of course you'll be able to add whatever language you want. You can just go and look for it, and let's type it out. Let's say as an example Dutch, and you can here go and add it as you can see, but I don't want to do that. And once you have it added, you'll be able to change from them or change the keyboard language but the Alt Shift. As you can see, it's changed, and it's changed by just the Alt tab. So this, not tab, Alt Shift. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.